The result is a very impressive vehicle, boasting typical Rolls-Royce luxury as well as significant off-road ability. Named after the world's largest diamond, the Cullinan benefits from Rolls-Royce's uncompromising approach to hand-built attention to detail, material quality, refinement and comfort. Fitted with the finest materials and gadgets, the Cullinan is more akin to a luxury yacht than an SUV. Swathes of world's finest leather, lashings of wood and some solid BMW-derived technology make up the impressive interior of the Cullinan.